Hey guys, what's going on? Street Trading coming at you with our weekly trade recap video for pretty much the end of January. So we have another session on Monday, 31st. But what a month it's been. Obviously, what a week, but what a month! What a way to kick off 2022. Definitely some pain to the downside. Obviously, nearly printed all-time highs into the end of 2021. And literally fell off a cliff since then. We're looking at an hourly chart here of a SPY, and clearly, as you can see, the ETF lost its battle. The 50, the 100, 200. It's fought its way back into the close. Interestingly enough, on Friday's session, trying to reclaim it. I think, it actually reclaimed it. But at the end of the day, it's sitting at demand from October, but is it enough? Is it enough to rally, to print lows and start to enjoy that trend that the bulls have been experiencing, that everybody's been experiencing since the March lows of 2020? It's been a while since action's been below this key level. So the fact that it's trying to work its way back, it's understandable. How much pain could everybody endure? You're obviously gonna have players stepping in, buying lows. It's obviously a fantastic opportunity, risk to reward. But you obviously want to look at the big picture. What else is going on outside of the street, right? That influences price, and you guys know it's emotions, guys. Supply and demand, mass psychology. That's what moves the market. So it's been a great week. Obviously, to both the upside and the downside. I mean, there were some really nice, solid moves to the downside that we had off of our weekly, and then obviously our dailies as well. It's been a fantastic week. Took plenty of stops, some losses along the way. It's part of the business, guys. But you gotta obviously take them and move on. Analyze and move on, right? We spotlight our wins. We don't sit and dwell on the losses, right? At the end of the day, it's what it's about. Keep your mind where it needs to be. Great week overall. If obviously the market could hold these lows and start to base out above the 200, then it should be an interesting week to kick off February on Tuesday's session. Clearly, we have one more on Monday, but for January. But nonetheless, if it could break out and hold these lows, it could have some nice momentum to the upside, because you're gonna have a lot of dip buyers stepping in, waiting to see if the lows are printed. And obviously, once the street prints them and holds them, then you're gonna have a lot of guys hopping on board. So the momentum should be quite nice, as we saw from the last time it took off from this zone, which was back in middle of October. So keep an eye on it. We'll see. But let's get into this past week. All right, guys, let's go.